Two women from different places of Sonamura area were injured due to the lightning on Thursday afternoon. Name of the injured were Sharmin Akhtar from Sonamura Aralia area and Chinu Begum from Nagar area. After the incident, both of them were taken to the nearby hospital. After a long time on Thursday afternoon, relief of rain fell at Sonamura area, but two women were injured due to the lightning. According to the news, it is known that a 22-year-old young housewife named Sharmin Akhtar of Sonamura Aralia area was sitting on the balcony of her house watching the rain during the heavy rain and thunder. At the meantime, she was struck with the lightning and was injured on the right leg. On the other hand, around the same time, 42-year-old Chini Begum of Nagar area was also injured by lightning. Both of them were immediately taken to Sonamura hospital after the incident. The doctor on duty said that the condition of two people is stable.
ওনার শরীরে একটু আঘাতে চিহ্ন রয়েছে, ওনার হাতে একটু আঘাতে চিহ্ন রয়েছে। তাছাড়া এখন উনি সুস্থ আছেন, ইসিজি রিপোর্টও নরমাল, বাকিটা সময় সাপেক্ষ।
আর স্যার ওদের নাম?
এদের নাম একজন হচ্ছে চিনি বেগম আর একজন শারমিন আক্তার।
However, there was a chaos in the area in view of the incident where two women were injured with the lightning at the same time. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.